It's looking good. It's Monday afternoon and we've been out working all day. Joe's almost got the kitchen window rebuilt and done, and I finished up the plastering in the back section of the house, so we're done with that. And we decided we weren't going to sand the walls because it was going to make a mess, and then I started doing it, and it doesn't take very long, but it does make a huge mess. But I think it's going to be worth it. So I just finished the girls' room on all the sections that I can reach without a ladder. So I'm going to finish that, and then their room will be ready to go. What an exciting day it's been. All day, but especially just barely when I was like, why won't this piece of hair get out of my eye? No, it wasn't a hair. It was a daddy long-legged spider. So, it was the color of my hair though, because it was covered with plaster. Where'd he go? There he is. He's back up on the wall. You little bugger. It's all sweat. I'm about to finish the last wall. It's been a cool 97 degrees today. Feels like 108. It's genetic. And I'm gonna need some serious hydration and a nap after this. But it was worth it. It was worth it. The walls look good. I'm so excited, so happy, even though there's a huge mess now. You already cut the whole bottom off?
I cut half of it.
Oh, the metal on that side?
Part of the wood.
Nice. So when we get back, you're gonna have that door in? Look at that. Exciting things happening right now. We have a new back door. And it even has a doorknob on it. Is that pretty cool, Luz? Wow. Let's see, I want to try it. You stay in there and wave to me through the window. Wave at me. Hi. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty sweet. is what he's trying to drill through. Drill, baby, drill. Ooh, man, that plastic is hot. Came back. Look at that. Is that exciting? Good morning. I've spent the better part of the last 2 hours in here prepping the kitchen for some primer on the walls. So we're ready to go. Joe took the girls down to the park while I was doing it, and I knew when he came back that he was gonna say, "What have you been doing? Why aren't you painting yet?" And prep is the most important part, and it also takes the longest. The priming won't actually take that long, I don't think. So I don't know if I'm gonna even need to do a second coat. Might be done there. Wait, let me see. Let me see.
Is it bad?
No, wipe it off and see what it looks like.
Oh. Hit me like right there.
Well, it's like right on your eyebrow, so it's like impossible to see, especially in this lighting. I don't think it's bad.